Editing a DJI Waypoint video mission in QGIS. First, we select the copy and move feature to copy one of the previous features. Then we just go ahead and update the index to be sequentially incremented. So if the previous one was 5, we would name this as 6. We can also go ahead and try out the move feature to fine tune where we want the waypoints to be. Another way we can quickly add these edits is to toggle the right pane for the inspection panel to be on, and then just click on the relevant point and make the edits directly. For this, it's good to select the see all features while using the inspect tool, and then we can go ahead and use it in this way to quickly alter the features. We can also change the gimbal pitch angle, and these will be the two main inputs we get from QGIS. Then we convert the GeoJSON back into KMZ file. To bring it into QGIS, we would have converted the KMZ into GeoJSON first. And then once we have it back in the KMZ format, we copy it back to the RC's memory card. And then in DJI Flight Planner, navigate to that waypoint file, grant it access, open it up, and make the fine tunes. So as we can see, the flight path is set. We go to add the point on the map and make the changes. It's good to keep it as above sea level for altitude so that regardless of the takeoff location, it always flies the point. Also, let's keep it as coordinated turn. That's a good waypoint type to move. Then for the first waypoint, we set the action to start recording. That's the only changes we'll need. The gimbal pitch can be set as per your requirement. For the last waypoint, we set it to stop recording. And this will follow whatever video recording mode it's on, whether it's 4K or multispectral or regular resolution.